Endpoint Central Software Deployment via Jira work items. It begins with a request. A user raises a service request in Jira. Needs Slack installed for team communication. The technician gets to work. From the Jira service request, they open Endpoint Central Cloud app, search for the user's device, and select Deploy Software. From the prepackaged catalog, Slack is chosen. With just a click, the installation begins remotely. No manual downloads, no interruptions. In the background, Endpoint Central pushes the software silently. Within minutes, Slack is ready to use on the user's system. The Jira service request updates automatically with the deployment details. Finally, the service request is marked completed, and the user can get back to collaborating with their team. And if the software you need isn't on the list, you can create a package in Endpoint Central, and it'll be available in Jira automatically. To know more about the package creation in Endpoint Central, check out the link in description. Seamless software deployment, automated updates, smarter IT service. That's the power of Jira and Endpoint Central Cloud.